I don't think people realize how much money a little home maintenance can save. Are you worried about surprise repairs draining your savings? Let's talk about how to keep your home and your budget safe. Buying a home is a big deal, but what you do after move-in is what really protects your investment. Take Carla, for example. She bought a charming older house. Everything looked perfect, until the little things started piling up: leaky faucets, flickering lights, and then a roof that needed replacing. Without a maintenance plan, she spent way more than she needed to. That's why home maintenance isn't just about fixing what's broken. It's about staying ahead, preserving value, avoiding big surprises, and keeping your home safe and comfy. Here's the secret. Break it down by season. Spring, clean gutters, check your roof, test the AC. Fall, service the furnace, check windows for drafts, prep plumbing for cold. Aim to set aside 1% to 2% of your home's value every year for upkeep. You might not use it all, but trust me, when you need it, you'll be glad it's there. Do little things yourself, like cleaning filters or caulking windows, but for wiring, roofing, or big stuff, call a pro.